Good morning. Welcome to Exertis E4 event here in Teaneck, New Jersey. My name is Jason Eisenberg. I'm the Northeast Territory Manager here at SceenBeam. SceenBeam is your wireless display solution for any solution, any Windows operating system, Mac, iOS, whatever device you'd like to use. You can cast content from your device to the display wirelessly, along with bring in a video conferencing solution. With our SceenBeam 1100 Plus, you can integrate any UC soft codec solution when it comes to video conferencing and have a Teams call, WebEx, Zoom, doesn't matter what platform you're utilizing, SceenBeam will give you the ability to collaborate with everybody and anybody in any room system. If you need any further assistance, please visit our website at SceenBeam.com for your nearest rep, as well as please reach out to your Exertis rep and ask for Angie Green. She is our inside business development rep, and she will be of further assistance. Thank you and have a great day.